yes, कोई प्रॉब्लम आज दो क्वेश्चंस सम आपको बताया इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन हो, सपोज इनकंसिस्टेंट हो, किसी तरह सॉल्व करते हैं. That's I'm taking two questions, and then I will give you some assignments. Then I will start another topic. Okay, fine. Now solve the equation by matrix method. Now let me connect all this in matrix form: 1 1 1 1 2 3, and then next 1 4 7. Then X matrix is equal to, we will get it X matrix equal to X Y Z, and then B matrix equal to, we will get it as 6 14 and then 30. Now the system can be written as AX is equal to B implies X is equal to A inverse B. For finding A inverse, we have to find the determinant of A. That is equal to 1 into 14 minus 12. Then minus 1 into, check the calculation, 7 minus 3. And then plus 1 into 4 minus 2. So what we will get it here, 2, I think 4 minus 4, and then plus 2, we are getting 0. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. Okay, does not exist. So means now you have to find either it is inconsistent or consistent. Further, we have to, I'm finding, see, we are getting this determinant A is 0. I'm not finishing here. I'm finding now adjoint of A into B. For finding adjoint of A into B, first we have to find minor cofactor M12, then M13, then M21, M22, and then M23, then M31, then M32, then M33. Okay. Now M11, delete corresponding row column, we will get it to 2. Then here is a 4. Then here we will get it 2. Then next we need 2 1, 2 1, 7 minus 4 3. Better calculation checked. And then 2 7 minus 1 6. We will get it to 2 3. Then we will get it to 4 minus 1 3. So that is equal to 3 1. 3 minus 2 1. That is equal to 3 2. 3 minus 1 again. First this 3 1. 3 1 means third row for 3 minus 2 we got 1. 3 2. That is 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2. Once again 3 minus 1. Better you check the calculation. Now next this is 3 and then 2. 3 minus 1. Okay. Now 3 3 2 minus 1. That we will get it to 1. Now we will find the corresponding cofactor C11, C12, C13, C21, C22. Then C23, then C31, C32, then C33. Now same sign, this is opposite sign, this is same sign, this is opposite one, this is same one, and opposite, and same, and opposite, and then same sign. Now we will find adjoint of A equal to, we will get 2 minus 4, 2, that is minus 4, 2, and then minus 3, 6 minus 3, and then 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, fine. Now we will find adjoint of A into B. What I told you, you have to find adjoint of A into B. Adjoint of A into B, that is equal to adjoint of A into B. Adjoint we have 2 minus 3, 1, and then minus 4, 6 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 into B matrix. What we have, B matrix is 6, 14, and then 30. If I do calculation, now depends on this result, we will move forward. Okay, that is 12 minus I think 42. 42 calculation, how to check it with everybody. Now this we are getting minus 24, and then here plus 42. No, 24 balance 2, 84. 84 better calculation is correct. Minus 60. Then 6 minus 42. Better check it again. Calculation everybody. Plus 30. Now what we are getting here, so that is, I think this is 0, and again this is 0, and this is we are getting 36, 42. You have to check it this one. This is 12, I think. This is 12. Okay, so again we are getting here 0. Isn't it? Calculation is correct. Now listen here. So we are getting adjoint of A into B equal to 0. Now what can you say about this system? Yes. What can you say about the system better? Determinant A is 0. Yes. Then the system is, therefore system is, yes beta, system is consistent and it has infinitely, and it has infinitely many solution. Now we will find how to find infinitely many solution. Now many solution. For finding many solution, you have to do one thing. Any one variable equal to say k, where k belongs to real number. So that's why we say infinitely many solution. I'm taking any one variable equal to k. So consider any two equations that is up to your choice. Instead of z, write down k. X plus y plus k. I'm considering first equation, and then so second equation is x plus 2y, and then plus 3k equal to 14. Now I will get it. One equation is x plus y equal to 6 minus k, and then another equation x plus 2y equal to 14 minus 3k. Again we have to solve this equation. This is 2 by 2 matrix method. So now I am getting P matrix that is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, and then X matrix we will get it same X, Y, and then Q matrix we will get it here 6 minus K and 14 minus 3K. Now the system can be written as Px is equal to Q implies X is equal to P inverse Q, where P inverse equal to a shortcut method I am using 1 by determinant of A, that is 2 minus 1, 1 into interchange main diagonal and change sign of non-diagonal. Now we will proceed. Bit fast, write fast. Hurry up everyone. Yes, write down fast bit. Now anyhow, once again, let me repeat this one. So what we did, first we find the determinant of A. Determinant of A, we are getting 0. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. Then we should not stop the question. Then again, we are proceeding minor cofactor so that we get adjoint of A. Now we are finding adjoint of A into B. Adjoint of A into B, if you are getting, then the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solution. For finding any solution, we have to take any one variable equal to K. That is up to your choice, x, y, z. I am taking here z equal to k. So I am considering any two equation out of three equation. I am keeping instead of z as a k. So I am getting again two equation, linear equation, and I will solve again matrix method. By using matrix method, I will solve it. Have you done up to this bit? Write fast. Done it? Just I am erasing up to this. This part I am erasing it. Just only up to this. Okay, now x is equal to P inverse Q. So x means xy. So that is equal to P inverse we have 2 minus 1 and then minus 1, 1. Into Q matrix we have Q matrix is 6 minus a k and 14 minus a 3k. If I multiply this, we will get it to 12. That is 12 minus a 2k, and then this into this minus 14 and then plus 3k. And then next another one minus 6, then minus 6 plus k, and 1 into this if I do 14 minus 3k. So final answer I will get it, that is equal to 12 minus 14 minus 2, that is a k minus 2, and then another one I'm getting that is 8 minus 2k. Okay, fine. So therefore we are getting infinitely many solution. What we are getting here. So therefore x is equal to k minus 2 and y equal to 8 minus 2k and z equal to k. Like this we will find infinitely where k belongs to real number. That's why we say infinitely many solution. Are you clear? Beta, are you clear? Say yes, no. Okay, write down. So it is so simple. So what I do, if it is a 2 by 2 equation, that is quite easy. Then z equal to k. If you take y equal to k, then automatically you will get value of x. No need of again solving. If you are getting determinant a is 0, adjoint of a into b is also 0, then further you have to do one thing. Let y equal to k. If you substitute the value of y equal to k in another any one equation, you will directly get value of x. Suppose if NCERT question, any question is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions 2 by 2, you can do it like that. Okay. Now I will take another question. Suppose that's I don't know what we will get the result. Let me write the question. But I have you done it? Say yes, no. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now beta, I'm taking another question. आप भी साथ साथ करना. No need of waiting for me. Everybody knows how to do matrix method. Okay, this type of questions not in NCERT, so you have to take care. Okay, so if it is 2 by 2, that is quite easiest one. How to do that's I told you. Now I'm taking another question better. Question number 2. What we will get? Let us check. 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 2. And then 2y minus z equal to minus 1, and then 3x. Then I will take some assignment question. Then we will start next one. Okay. Now see here again matrix method. Start do yourself. Okay. This is last question. Start do yourself. Now a matrix I'm collecting 3 minus 1 minus 2, and then there is no coefficient of x. That's why I'm writing 0. Then 2 minus 1, and then 3 minus 5 0. Then x matrix is equal to usual x y z, and then b matrix is equal to, here we have given 2 minus 1 3. Now the system can be written as ax is equal to b, implies x is equal to a inverse b. Now you know how to proceed a inverse. Everybody do it. Determinant a, that is 3 into 0 minus 5. Minus 5 beta calculation once again how to check it here. That is 3 into 0 minus 5 we will get it. And then minus of minus plus 1 into 0 plus 3 we will get 3. Minus 2 into 0 minus 6 we will get it minus 6. So that is equal to minus 15 plus 3, and then this is plus 12. So anyhow we are getting 0, therefore A inverse does not exist. Now let us see does not exist. So depends on the result adjoint of A into B, we will get answer. Now let me find the minor cofactor M11, that is M12, then M13, then M21, M22, then M23, then M31, then M32, then M33. Okay, now M11 we will get it minus 5, that is equal to 3, that is equal to minus 6. 2, 1, 0, minus 10. Beta calculation, how to check everybody? Now the 0 plus 6, that is 6. Then 2, 3, 2, 3 means minus 15 plus 3, minus 12. Then 3, 1, 1 plus 4, 5. Now that is equal to 3, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 3. Then 3, 3, that is 6. Okay. Now I'm finding cofactor C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23. Then C31, C32, then C33. Now see same sign, that is opposite sign, then same sign, then opposite sign, then same, then opposite, that is a 12, then same sign, then opposite one, then same. Now we are getting adjoint of A equal to, so adjoint of A equal to what we are getting. So that is minus 5, minus 3, minus 6, 10, 6, 12, and then 5, 3, 6. We are getting this one, okay, fine. Now we have to find what? Adjoint of A into B. Okay, depends on that we will proceed. Adjoint of A into B, so that is minus 5, 10, 5, minus 3, 6, 3, and then minus 6, 12, 6. Into B matrix we have 2 minus 1, 3. Now that is equal to what we have? Minus 10, and then plus 15. And then here we are getting next row, and then next one minus 6. And then minus 6 plus 9, and then here minus 12, and then plus 18. So what we are getting, that is equal to, we are getting here minus 5, and then here 12 minus 3, and then here that is 6, minus 18. Okay, fine. Minus 18? No, minus 6. Minus 6. Anyhow, now see beta result what we are getting here. Adjoint of A into B, adjoint of A into B is not equal to we are getting 0. Now what can you say about the system beta? Yes. What can you determine? A is 0 and adjoint of A into B.
Ma'am, inconsistent.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Right? Therefore, the system is inconsistent. System is inconsistent. Inconsistent. And it has no solution. No. I have covered all types better. Now let me give some assignment questions. 10 questions I have written here. Then we will start another topic. Write down fast this. Write fast, everybody. Have you written better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'm giving assignment better. Between I will explain you how to do questions. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have enough time. You revise complete topic matrix and determinant both topic and try to complete these questions. If you have any problem later on we will discuss, not between. Okay, fine. So I will explain you how to do. Okay. Any question if you feel difficult. Now start right everybody. Question number 1. If A equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2 and B matrix is equal to 2, 2 minus 4 and then minus 4, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5. Now find the AB and hence solve. Find the AB and hence solve. And hence solve. Otherwise let me write. So hence solve. 3 equation they have given x minus y equal to 3, then 2x plus whether suppose if you have done, you have to do once again. Okay, don't see first you revise entire topic, then start do assignment. Now find A inverse where A equal to that is 1, 2, 5, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1. Hence solve and hence solve. Equation given x plus 2y plus 5z equal to 10. Then x minus y minus z equal to minus 2 and then 2x and that is 2x and then plus 3y minus z equal to minus 11. Okay, fine. Then question number 3, if A equal to that is 2, 3, all questions, board question I have collected here, 5 minus 4 and 5 minus 4 minus 2, find A inverse and hence solve x 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 11, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5 and then x plus y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Now question number 4, solve maybe this is inconsistent or consistent, that's I don't know, you have to check. When you solve you comes to know x minus y and then plus z equal to 3 and then 2x plus y minus z equal to 2 and then another equation minus x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 1. Now some properties of determinant questions I'm giving better. Question number 5. Everything using property of determinant to show that. Understood that. Using properties of determinant to show that. Now this is a square plus 2a and then 2a plus 1 and then 1 and then here 2a plus 1 and then a plus 2 and then 1 and then 3 and then 3, 1 equal to, we have all questions are board questions, okay, a minus 1 whole cube. Okay, now next to see question number 6 I am taking. Question number 6. Question number 6. Prove that this is a repeated question, one of the repeated question, this one. Prove that BC minus A square, CA minus B square, AB minus C square, CA minus B square, AB minus C square, BC minus A square, and then here AB minus C square, BC minus A square, CA minus B square is divided by A plus B plus C, and hence and find the quotient Okay, now number 71. Prove that properties of determinant. Minus BC, B square plus BC, then C square plus BC, then A square plus AC minus AC, then C square plus AC, then A square plus AB, B square plus AB, and then minus AB. That is equal to AB plus BC. These are all repeated questions, CA whole cube. Now question number 8, again prove that using property determinant A plus C, A minus B, B minus C, B plus C, then C plus B, C minus A, C. That is equal to A plus B plus C into A square and then plus B square plus C square. Now next ye jo question right now what I am writing, this is 6 mark question. This year board I told you one determinant question how come. This question I will explain you how to do. If A, B, C, if A, B, C are P, Q, R to term of GP, then prove that log A, I will explain you log A, log B, log C, that is the P, Q, R 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Last question I am giving 10th question. Find X matrix. Find X matrix where 3, 2, 7, 5 into X matrix into, this is X matrix beta. This is X matrix, not multiplication symbol. Minus 1, 1 and then minus 2, 1 equal to, this is also 6 mark question, board question. Don't think this is matrix topic, but they asked 6 mark question this question. Now 10 questions I have written here. First you write down, I will explain you some questions. Okay, first you write down. Then I will explain how to do all questions. Otherwise you take a screenshot better. Okay. Okay, shall I explain? Yes, better. Shall I explain? Take a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, beta, this one you know, AB find out karoge. After finding AB, that's I told you when you solve this equation, through this AB you have to find the inverse. Mind it, don't find minor cofactor once again. कोई भी एक बच्चा भी mistake नहीं करना, that's keep in your mind. Now next to find A inverse, mane aapko what I told you, either you will get transpose of this matrix, otherwise the same matrix. There are only two relation, not more than that. Either same matrix or transpose. So you have to take it directly. Now next to see question number 3, same question, this is also. Now see question number 4, solve. That's I told you this is maybe you will get inconsistent, maybe you will get a consistent, but anyhow up to end you have to solve it. Okay. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 properties. You have to make it a 0. This here you have to do one thing. R2 minus R1. R2 can be written as R2 minus. Here you have to do one thing. R2 minus R1 and R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. You have to do this operation. So you will then, if you feel any common element, then you have to take out. Otherwise, open the determinant, you will get answer. Are you clear? You should bring first 0 to 0. Then you check it to determinant if there is any common element to take out. Otherwise, open the determinant, you will get answer. Clear to you this question? Now see question number 6. This is one of the repeated board question a bit. Last year, this year नहीं, last year ये question paper board में 6 mark question में था. ये exemplar का question है. अभी भी 2-3 questions left. That's I will give later on. this prove that using property of determinant, prove that is divided by a plus b plus c. That means this answer will be a plus b plus c into some terms. वो terms quotient बनेगा और वो automatically divide by a plus b plus c आएगा. For this, you have to do one thing. You have to check either row wise, column wise. Beta here, shall I erase this side? Shall I erase this side? Say yes, no. Shall I erase beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see this question number 6. Let me explain. Operation I am writing. Then you have to do it so simple. That's I told you last year 6 mark question. This one. Either C1 can be written as C1 plus C2 plus C3 you have to do. Otherwise R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is up to your choice. Then after that you have to take out that is AB plus BC plus CA minus A square plus B square plus C square. From where? From C1. Then you have to do R2 can be written as R2 minus R1 and R3 can be written as R3 minus R1. Then if you feel any common element to take out, then open the determinant, you will get answer. Then open the determinant, you will get answer. Clear to you? So you have to do this one. That is question number, which one? This is 6th one I have given hint. Now see question number 7 also I am telling. This is also one of the repeated question. Question number 7, how can you do? Question number 7, you have to do one thing. Multiply and divide by a comma b comma c to r1 comma r2 comma r3 respectively. Okay, fine, respectively. Then after this, so 1 upon abc into you will get. Then take out the next step. Take out a comma b comma c from where c1 c2 comma c3 respectively. Okay, respectively. Then after that you have to see better. That's I don't know. Either R1 can be written as R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's I don't know what you will get result. Or otherwise you will get C1 can be written as C1 plus C2. I don't know. You have to check it. For doing this operation, if you are getting AB plus BC plus CE, then you have to do it this operation. For doing this operation, if you are getting AB plus BC plus CE, then you go for it. Then you have to bring 2, 0. Either suppose if you are doing this operation, then R2 minus R1, you know how to make 0. So either this operation as per question, you have to check it better. Now see question number 8, let me explain. Question number 8, you can do it one thing. That is what we can do. A plus B plus C we need, A plus B plus C. So R1 can be written as, or otherwise C3 can be written as, you have to check it better. That's you have to check it. C3 can be written as, or otherwise C3 minus C2 minus C2 and then plus C3. Plus C1. C3 minus C2 minus C2. Now I think plus C2 minus C1 do it. Okay. C3 can be written as C3 plus C2 minus C1, so that I hope so we will get A plus B plus C. You have to check it. Then bring it to 0. Then after that you have to open, you will get answer. Are you clear? Now I am taking question number 9. This is one of the most important question. Shall I raise this one better question? Okay, now see question number 9. Question number 9, how can you do question number 9? 9th one, see they are saying ABC are P comma Q comma Rth term of GP. GP means if A is Pth term of A. So what is the formula? What is the formula? Nth term, what is the formula for nth term GP? ARn minus 1. Exactly, better. Pth term is A. So when P equal to formula, what we will get it? What formula? Capital A I am taking A into R power n minus 1. I am taking like this. That is equal to A given. And then Q equal to, they have given A into, that is ABC R P comma Q comma Rth term. So A into, again this we will get it. Now here A into Pth term means nth term. This is nth term. Nth term is An equal to AR power n minus 1. That's we will get it. Am I correct? So this here we will get it. that is A into, again this is Rn minus 1. Nah, this is a P minus 1. Am I correct? P minus 1 equal to A, and Qth term means that is Q minus 1 equal to B, and A into R power R minus 1 equal to C. This is given better. I told you this question asked by board this year. A is given A R power P minus 1, Pth term. Nth term means N power N minus 1. So here this is Pth term. So A R power P minus 1, A R power Q minus 1 is B, A R power. Now you have to do one thing, take it log A. Log A equal to log. Already see this formula, I don't know whether you know or not. Log M into N equal to, what is the formula? This formula we will see next exercise. Log M plus log N. Log M plus log N. This formula note down. This formula note down everybody. Log M into N equal to log M plus log N. Now as per this we will get this equal to, that is log A equal to, we will get it log A plus log R in R power P minus 1. Another formula I am writing here with a log M power N equal to, we will get N log M. Again, both formula you have to note down. We will see this formula in differentiation. Log M into N equal to log M plus log N. Log M power N equal to N log M. As per this, we can write log A equal to log A and then plus P minus 1 log M power N log M. P minus 1 into log R. Like this, similarly, you have to find the value of log B. Log B, we will get it similarly log A plus Q minus 1 into log R. I don't know whether you are clear or not. Next, we will get it log C. Log C value, we will get it log C equal to log A and then plus R minus 1 into log R. Now you have to do one thing better. Here you have to substitute all the values log A, log B, log C. Then split into two determinant, you will get it identical or proportional, you will get 0. Are you clear what I'm saying? Use this result instead of log A, log B, log C. Then you have to split into two determinant. Definitely you will get identical or proportional. The value of determinant is 0. ये इसी साल 6 mark question में board में था. Simple ये formula you have to remember. That's it. Okay. Now let me explain last question. I'm erasing this side. Shall I erase this one? Say yes, no, beta. You want to note down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm just erasing 1 or 2 steps. Now last question, let me explain question number 10. Beta, whenever they say square matrix, पहले हमने matrix topic we have seen, suppose orders are different, then how to find the new matrix order, that's I told you. Now he see here, this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2. Now what I'm giving name, this is A matrix. You cannot take A, B, C, D. That is not possible to find matrix X here. Are you clear? Now I'm giving name, this is A and this is X matrix. This is B matrix. Equal to, I'm giving name as P matrix. Now we have to find X matrix, then X matrix equal to A goes to that side, A inverse, P into B inverse. A inverse, you know how to find shortcut method, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, interchanging main diagonal change. So find A inverse, B inverse. First you multiply A inverse into P, then whatever you are getting result, multiply by this. This is a procedure. Are you clear? So you cannot take here ABCD, don't take ABCD. So using inverse method you have to do. Time is running. Everybody now take your NCERT book better. Anyhow, new topic we will begin on Monday. Now take your NCERT everybody, please. Have you taken better? Page number 136. Page number 136. These are all the questions most important, repeated board questions that I have given. So be serious everybody. I explained you how to do. So seriously you have to do it. Now see better page number 136. Question number 1 to 6 you can do it. So you have to find consistent, inconsistent, then proceed. Are you clear better? Say yes, no. Yes. Now come to miscellaneous beta. Come to miscellaneous. Page number 161, 141. 141, take it. Page number 141. Have you taken everybody? Beta, question number 7. Yes, beta, in miscellaneous question number 7, they have given A inverse, given B matrix, given. ये भी 6 mark question board का है. AB whole inverse they are asking. What is the formula AB whole inverse? AB whole inverse. B inverse, A inverse. Beta A inverse already given. B inverse you know how to find a minor cofactor. Elementary unless until elementary operation नहीं बताया होगा touch मत करियो. B inverse निकाल दो, then B inverse into A inverse करोगे, you will get AB whole inverse. Okay, that is question number 7. Whatever the left out, I am explaining beta. Question number 8, leave it. It's a too lengthy. Question number 10. Now 16, one of the most important question. Beta 16, you have to take 1 by x is equal to A, 1 by x is equal to A, 1 by y equal to B, and 1 by z equal to C. Then the equation can be written as 2a and then plus 3b and then plus 10c equal to 4. And then this is a 4a minus 6b and then plus 5c equal to 1. And then 6a plus 9b minus 20c equal to 2. And now you have to solve matrix method, A matrix, B matrix, X matrix, usual. So suppose if you are getting value of A is a 5, then write 1 by x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 1 upon 5. 1 by x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 1 upon 5. Like this you have to solve. First using matrix method you have to find A, B, C, then substitute here you will get value of x, y, z. Are you clear? Question number 16. Then left out to question number 18. 18 simple inverse निकालना है, you can find out inverse. Are you clear beta? Are you clear? So we have done up to 4 topic very clearly. But inverse assignment I have to do, that's I will do it. So whatever I have given here, 10 questions along with the NCERT questions, including examples, miscellaneous. Thoroughly you have to do practice tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You have enough time. Then we will start continuity on Monday. That topic is related to up to differential equation. Now we are beginning calculus. Calculus, the entire marks is 44. As per now, if they reduce, then maybe 36. It's a vast topic. Don't get absent. You should present in each and every exercise. That's keep your mind. Are you clear? Okay. Any doubt, beta? Any query you want to ask? Say yes, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Shall I end? If you have any problem, tomorrow we have PTM. Very sincerely, you sit along with your parents, then talk to teachers. Whatever you have problem, you discuss with them. जरूरत ही पड़ेगा, मैं भी आ जाऊंगी उसमें, ठीक है? So PTM को सक्सेसफुल करना, ऑनलाइन PTM कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ आपके लिए कर रहे हैं, वो कोई किसी और के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो पेरेंट्स को भी बोलें उसी टाइम, वो आपकी अलॉटमेंट दे दी ऑलरेडी टीचर्स ने, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप लोग अटेंड कर लेना, ठीक? Shall I end it?